Don't leave attack on me. But Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going.
What you talking about? Is Jaden place? See me up to the time, you know, a cartel. I represent for Jaden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, you know, the Gaza station.
Yeah, man, now move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, when you find the Gaza station, welcome to the channel. I'm Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reason for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, but click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, bust a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, today being the 31st of this month, of course, we're going to show you the charts, because we're some people, and you know YouTube are the only platform where them ever trend, or them actually do the numbers. If we are talking about any other charts, even locally or internationally, their names are not there. But just as a reminder for the fans, yes, for the one out for the clans, now Vybz Kartel is still the most streamed artist on the YouTube platform currently for this week. Consecutively the most streamed artist, and this should be no surprise to us or the opposition, because them know what I want. If them a look for them artists and the numbers that them a do, them will always see Vybz Kartel name there. For yes, for your call Vybz Kartel name is basically dancehall you call, and for your call dancehall the name Vybz Kartel is also synonymous with that genre of music. Now, this multi-million-dollar investment we are talking about, yes, this is what we reason about. Adianna music viewers and subscribers. Me the hear Vybz Kartel saying our track. So I'm going to set it for mute them like how Patrick set it for Jamie. No, Vybz Kartel, yeah, set it like how Bob set it for all of the Mali youths. Every generation, first to third generation Mali's. Because right now, Skip Mali career do extremely well. And hear what his name? His stage name is Skip Mali, keeping the Mali legacy going. Now the Palmers in a dancehall music. Talk no man. We hear Vybz Kartel say, what you know? We not clash with an artist. We are focused on youths. And Tanisha's sons, yes, most people know Tanisha's sons. Little Vybz, little Adianna, of course. I got World Boss Jr. Now when Vybz Kartel say him youth them, him attack all I'm youth them right across the board. Adianna viewers and subscribers. And this is not her first business venture. She and her mother also have a boutique and Pines Plaza. Put more people and go check it out. Especially since I saw, you know what I mean, the return for the youth them circle school. Alright. She have the gears. Check out what going on. Now, as I'm saying, multi-million-dollar investment, having your own record label at this age, there's no other individual, no other youth artist, nobody at this age will have them own record label. Just think about it. No other individual at this age. If you know of another individual that I am not aware of, comment in the comment section. But right now, she alone at her big move, monumental move. Independent music. We have to talk about this too. Independence, they are fouled up. Big up all independent record labels. I said it before and I will say it again. Of which there are few in a dancehall music. This is another new dancehall label. Now I look forward to see the rest of artists. Of course, our brothers will be releasing tracks on her label as well. No doubt about that. I like to see the fact that Vybz Kartel are lead by example. Everybody like to talk about youth. What are you doing youth? What are you doing for the next generation? Vybz Kartel are doing it. And what I like to see is that the moves that Vybz Kartel are making in music impacts not only his fans, his artists, or his youths. It impacts the whole dancehall genre. She have a record label. Yet this is a major accomplishment for her. But she can also do what? Help other young aspiring artists to become stars. Isn't that something for the genre? Very few artists can say, or very few individuals can say, wins for them or wins for other people. Some people here will celebrate their victories because we're happy for everybody with something to go on for. Especially when you want to do the right thing and them doing it the right way. But very few individuals can say, yo, when we happy, other individuals are happy as well. Very few people can say that. The music Vybz Kartel are making a dancehall music. Yo, innovation at its finest. inspiration at its finest, viewers and subscribers. We don't see no other artists that do it. They might not like how we talk about it, but we have to point it out. I want to point it out for them feel away. We point it out so that them can know that what you know, even for young aspiring artists, when they hear about Vybz Kartel and his accomplishments, if you are someone who is invested in your career, then these accolades achieved by Vybz Kartel should be inspiration for you, showing that a Jamaican can do it. A Jamaican dancehall artist can have the hottest feature track in a German country. Yeah, well, in Germany. Not a German country, in a Germany. Because we know some people like to keep the thing. I mean, quote unquote, like say them are intellects. Now for them they even pass for no prominent high school. But them do them thing. Anyway, inspiration to the next generation. That we can do it as well. That's why recently we were going with Vardo and thing. And Drake and thing. We not to follow up that. Because that's not good for the music on a world scale. You know what I mean? We don't want genres a beef with genres. No. You can have it in-house. Dancehall artists are, you know what I mean, clash with dancehall artists, but we don't want to see it get to the point where, you know, a dancehall versus hip-hop. Nothing like that. We are not supporters of that. And that's why Vybz Kartel is watching, there will be no response of Vardo and him track. There will be no response, whether subliminal or otherwise. Him depend him own with that, and I don't think Drake will be responding to him as well, because Drake never does try to initiate no lyrical confrontation with no dancehall artist. Drake same is a fan of dancehall, so him now can lyrically when him can talk about a person in specific. Yeah, if him creative enough, him can make a song for Vardo without saying anything negative about dancehall as a culture or as a music from our culture. But Drake will always respond by saying, you know what I'm saying in that song. As we know, people write the song them feel. So the writers will always keep with the narrative, saying that Drake won't be a yardie, even though a Mov won't be a Yankee. That's how it go. Now statements about when Lisa I make definitely make the headlines, viewers and subscribers, people attack. No, I did not see the recording myself, but my ear was going. We on the road at that moment. But until we see and we hear back some follow-up statements, all we can say is this is an in-house situation. You know what I mean? And we are going to keep it in-house. For those who don't know what that means is, this won't be televised. Depending on what some people post already, no. The discussions that we are going to have about what going on with that, in our televised between me and you. You know what I mean? So there's something go. But me just say some things that can't prove of nobody else. You know, like, say people have to be your own person. Don't make people push a button and get you to say what you don't mean. Somebody can always bait into a conversation. But once you are aware of what they want you to do, if it is something that is not beneficial for you and the movement, you can say nothing. I wonder if you know so that can be a response. You can say nothing and I can say your response was nothing. So you can choose to also not entertain certain conversations. And I would suggest majority of artists to strategically know what they must say when they go talk to the public. Right now, being a superstar, not what you say is not beside the curtain. Because I'm not look behind the curtain, you know. So if it's behind the curtain, it will go upskirt to me. I'm not going to know what I want. But if it is beside the curtain rather, you know what I mean? It will be brought to the light. So you have to know what you say. Someone have to know that it's like wave riding something. They're not found on a surfer. Stop trying to ride people wave. Stop trying to use publicity to gain rate. Mama a good artist. She a Gaza girl long time. I don't know what go on. Or the buttons get pushed for to say what she say. She and the teacher will sort it out. You understand? It's not for me and you and she. No, for she and the teacher sort out that. I'm going to leave it at that. Big up Adianna, girl boss. You know all the something go. Big up Vybz Kartel. You know the something go, my general. Viewers and subscribers, for those who are new to the movement, new to the channel, just a pass through. But don't like the reason, of course, don't like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like and a comment on the blog. In truth, share icon is also in close proximity, so you can do what? Tell a friend, but tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them. But check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7. Never lack yet. Just be mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and your opinions there. And yes, we can continue reasoning via the comment section. You know the something go. You man move settings from I wanna need a ladder. And my sentiments for you and yours, I wanna live, love, and prosper until we reason again.